The eufy S2 and Dreame Aqua10 both sit in the premium robot vacuum category, but they take noticeably different approaches to cleaning performance, intelligence, and overall hardware design. Special thanks to eufy for sponsoring this video. Today we're breaking down the key differences between the eufy S2 and the Dreame Aqua10. If you're interested, you'll find the product link in the video description. Let's get right into it. Starting with vacuuming performance, both robots are rated at up to 30,000 pascals of suction, but the real-world results are not equal. The eufy Omni S2 introduces multi-cone cyclone technology inside the robot itself, which significantly improves usable airflow. If you're familiar with handheld vacuums, this is where air watts matter, since they reflect real debris pickup, not just peak suction claims. In our studio testing, we measured in-use airflow and pressure. The S2 delivered 556 FPM compared to the 520 FPM for the Aqua10, and 0.85 kPa of pressure versus just 0.25 kPa. Higher numbers are better in both categories and are key indicators of actual cleaning performance. Even though both list the same suction rating, the S2 performs better across multiple measurable metrics and is the only one with a published 100 air watt rating. Dreame does not publish an air watt figure for the Aqua10, which likely means it's not competitive. For perspective, the S2's air watt rating is close to the Dyson V8 Absolute, a well-known cordless handheld vacuum. That multi-cone cyclone system makes a meaningful difference over time, especially in homes with heavy dust or pet hair. To evaluate long-term performance, eufy simulated 30 days of daily use by running roughly 30 grams of hair and dust per cycle across 3 separate test runs. The Omni S2 showed virtually no drop in pickup from the first run to the last, indicating that suction remains consistent as the system fills. The filter also stayed noticeably cleaner throughout testing. Over months of real-world use, this matters because traditional designs lose performance as filters clog, while the S2 maintains strong, stable suction. On carpets, the eufy S2 continues to separate itself. It can clean carpets up to 5 centimeters thick and can identify different carpet types, including long ply, tasseled, or thin carpets, then automatically adjust its cleaning strategy. The Dreame Aqua10 does not offer the same level of carpet type recognition or adaptive behavior, which limits its effectiveness across varied flooring. When it comes to mopping performance, the two robots differ significantly in execution. The eufy S2 features real-time self-cleaning with a dynamic extending mop, a 28mm mop lift, and a 29cm mop width. It uses 32 water injection holes and applies 15 newtons of high-pressure sterilization using sterile water. The Dreame Aqua10 also supports real-time self-cleaning but uses a mop extension with a 14mm lift, a roller cover, and 26cm mop. It features 12 water injection holes and relies on hot water mopping with 9 to 11 newtons of downward pressure rather than high-pressure sterilization. In terms of intelligence and object recognition, the eufy S2 emphasizes advanced mapping and obstacle handling. It supports floor recognition with automatic lift, AI dirt recognition, and 3D matrix obstacle avoidance. The system is capable of recognizing over 200 small or high-position objects using AI in its position as the world's first fully 3D and AI-based mapping solution. The Dreame Aqua10 also uses AI dirt recognition but relies on 2D obstacle avoidance rather than a full 3D system. It can recognize up to 240 objects, which gives it a broader object recognition count, though the approach is different from eufy's 3D matrix mapping. Edge and corner cleaning performance is equal in coverage, with both robots claiming 100% edge and corner coverage. The eufy S2 has a height of 98mm, while the Dreame Aqua10 is slightly shorter at 97.5mm. Obstacle crossing capability is an area where both diverge. The eufy S2 supports single-step obstacle crossing up to 3.5 centimeters and double-step crossing up to 4 centimeters. The Dreame Aqua10 supports single-step obstacle crossing up to 4.2 centimeters and can handle up to 8 centimeters using mechanical legs, giving it a clear advantage for taller thresholds. Brush design and hair handling are also different between the two. The eufy S2 uses dual-spiral rotating roller brushes designed to eliminate missed spots and prevent tangling entirely. The Dreame Aqua10 uses dual roller brushes as well and also claims zero tangling, but without the split spiral rotating design highlighted on the eufy. At the dock and station level, both robots support hot water washing, automatic detergent dispensing, and turbidity-based rewash detection. The eufy S2 additionally includes electrolyzed water as part of its cleaning and sterilization process, which is not part of the Dreame Aqua10. There is also an optional fragrance module offering subtle scents, adding a premium touch without overpowering the space. This is not something found on the Aqua10 or any other model for that matter. Overall, both the eufy S2 and Dreame Aqua10 are clearly high-end robot vacuums, but they focused on different strengths. The Dreame Aqua10 emphasizes obstacle crossing ability and a slightly lower profile, making it well suited for homes with taller thresholds or uneven transitions. The eufy S2, meanwhile, puts more emphasis on intelligent cleaning performance, especially on carpets and mixed flooring. Where the eufy S2 really shines is how it adapts its cleaning in real time. From identifying different carpet types and adjusting suction, to using a wider mop with more water injection points and higher pressure sterilization. The S2 responds to what it's cleaning rather than relying on a one-size-fits-all approach. If your home has a lot of carpets, mixed floors, or pets, and you value smart behavior and deep cleaning performance, the eufy S2 is a compelling choice. Both the Dreame Aqua10 and the eufy S2 are excellent options, so your decision ultimately depends on which features matter most in your home.